I was really deciding on what I should do for my first video, and I should do a hair review on the hair that I have in my head right now. So this hair is from Hairinbeauty.com, and this is my second time ordering from them, and I'm really happy with the results and how the frontal came out. This is my second time buying their hair, so you can clearly see that, you know, I like their hair and they have good quality to me. Today I'm just gonna be talking about, you know, like the tangling and how the hair, you know, reacts with dye and bleach and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna start off by showing you the hair and, you know, just what it's looking like. So I do have a frontal in right now, and the frontal's 20-inch. The bundles is 24, and then I have two 26. And I don't really know how it shows up on the camera. You can clearly see that it looks red, a little burgundy, just a little bit. You can definitely see that there's color in it. I actually have a funny story. You guys don't even want to know what I tried to do with the hair. I tried to make it like an ash blonde, and things just did not go my way. So I ended up getting this color. It looks kind of reddish brown in the sunlight, but this hair used to be like really black, like jet black. But yeah, so I'm actually satisfied with this color, so I'm not doing too much complaining. But I've noticed that the color the frontal didn't take the color or the bleach that well. It took the color well, but just not the bleach. And I noticed that when I dyed my cousin's hair. She ordered the same bundles from Hairinbeauty too, and for some reason her frontal just would not take the bleach. I don't know why. We had to leave the bleach on there for at least like 30 some minutes. I think we left it on there longer than that, but long story short, the bleach just did not want to dye the frontal for some reason. The first time that I bought hair from Hairinbeauty, I bought a natural wave 20 and 22 inch, and I bought a frontal too. So this hair is actually real affordable. This was I want to say 140 something, around that price. But they give you a lot of coupons too. I was able to get a $5 coupon. And what else? Yeah, it's just real affordable, and I think that everybody should really shop at this website because it's real affordable. I've seen a lot of hair sites where their hair is just unbelievably pricey, and Hairinbeauty has good quality hair. And this is a 3-part frontal closure. But I don't really use the other parts. I really just use the side and the middle part. But I've been using the middle part for like a couple weeks now, and I actually like how it looks. So this hair is soft. It's real soft. As for shedding, it don't shed that much. I did cut the west when I was sewing in the hair. But yeah, it doesn't really shed that much. It's actually like pretty good quality hair. When you straighten this hair, it looks so pretty. And I'm gonna insert a little video right here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. The hair is just so pretty. It has so much body and volume, and it don't take that long to straighten either. I get up late for school all the time, and if my hair was like this, I would straighten it in less than 10 minutes. Especially if your flat iron is nice and hot, then you good. Yeah, I'm really liking this hair. I recommend this hair company to a lot of my friends, and they said they'll check it out, and I think you guys should too. If you guys do plan on getting this hair, I would suggest getting this wave, but I can't really throw out no suggestions yet because I haven't really tried all of the hair yet. So I'm gonna save that for another video. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this review, and that you guys should really check out this site because they have some good quality hair. And this is Peruvian. Yeah, this is Peruvian hair. I keep forgetting to add those little details, but to be honest, I really do like this hair straight better than how it is now. I'll rock this for a couple days and then I'll go back to straightening it just because I miss how it looks. But yeah, but this is the longest hair that I've gotten and I'm really liking it. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this review. Let me know in the comments if I forgot to mention anything. I feel like I did. You should definitely go get this hair, and I will see you.